Hello, it's a while before uh, we met, and today I wanted to go through a very interesting topic. This 0x07 networking basics. So, this is a very essential topic in computer engineering because networking, I think everyone of you know what's networking. It's not a new thing. So I want me to take you through step by step on this topic called 0x07 networking basics. This is just only basics. We will go deeper when we go to networking. This is basics 0. We have networking basics 1. That's where we can go deeper into networking. So first, I want me to take you through I want to take you through the resources, uh, OSI model, different types of networks, LAN network, W network, internet, MAC address, what's an IP address, private and public address, IP4, IP6, localhost, TCP, UDP, TCP, UDP, ports listen, what's ping, ICMD, positional parameters. So I want to take you through one by one so that you can understand. The first one is Open System Interconnection Model (OSI). OSI stands for Open System Interconnection Model. It's a reference model from the International Organization of Standardization that provide a common basics for the coordination of standards development for the purpose of systems interconnection. Bit or symbol. The function is transmission and reception of raw bit streams over physical medium. I think up to there we are moving together. Now we can go one by one, starting with the physical layer. The physical layer is responsible for transmission and reception of unstructured raw data between a device, such as network interface controller, internet hub, or network switch, and the physical transmission. You can go through this one. The second one is data link. Data link provides node to node transfer, a link between two direct connected nodes. You can have more details if you go deeper. Network layer. Network layer provides the function and the proce- procedural means that of transferring packet from node to another connected in different networks. Transport layer. Okay, we go through all this and it's very long. So now we go to different types of network. Different types of networks. Introduction of LANs, WANs, and other kinds of area networks. Let me start. What's the difference between LAN and other networks? One way to categorize the different types of computer network designs is by scope or scale of the network. For historical reason, the networking industry refer to nearly every type of design as some types of networks. Network types differ from network topologies such as bus, ring, and star. Types of networks. Common types of area networks are local area networks. These are types of area networks. One is local area network. LAN, wide area network. One, wireless local area network, metropolitan area network, storage area network, system area network, server area network, campus. There are many, but the most we can deal with these two. This is the most common local area network and wide area network. This is the common for this topic. So this is this is this local area network. It's connected with mostly 3 to 4 computers. As you can see here, this live wire. These are server. This local area network, local area network, local area network. It cover a very okay. Local area network connects network device over relatively short distance. A network A network a network office, building, schools or home usually contain a single local area network. Sometimes one building contain a few small local area network. So this is connected within a very short distance. Now we come to wide area network. It's a large physical distance. The internet is largest wide area network spanning on the earth. A wide area network is geographically sparse collection of local area network. A network device called root. A network device called router connects local area network to a wide area network. In IP networking, the router maintains both local area and wide area networks. Other types of area network: wireless local area network, metropolitan, campus area, storage area network, system area network. Another one is, let's go to internet, because we have done with with local area network, wide area network. So we go to internet. The internet. What's internet? It's a global system of interconnected computer networks that uses the Internet Protocol suites TCP/IP to communicate between networks and devices. So it's a network of networks that consists of private, public and academic, business and government networks of local to global scope. So hey, that's the definition of the internet. So I can't go through all these. I want to go fast so that I can go straight to the to give you guideline on how to solve the tasks. So I wanted to take you through the resources. This is the internet protocol suites, internet protocol IP address, IP4, IP6, this subnetworking. This is subnetwork or subnet is a logical subdivision of IP network. The practice of dividing a network into two or more networks is called subnetting. Compared to the subnet address, you can go through this. I can't finish all of them because I don't have that much time. data transfer. You have all these resources, you have them, you can go through them slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly, slowly by slowly. So, MAC address, WhatsApp address, private, IP4, localhost. Now, let me go straight to, to this is the learning objective. I love this. You are expected to be able to explain to anyone without help of the Google OS what is OS, what's local area network, what's wide area network. This one is simple. What's the internet? What's IP address? Types of IP address. What's localhost? Subnet. So, requirements. Allow editors VI, Vim, Emacs, or your bash script files will be interpreted using Ubuntu, Readme, Mast. It's a massive or every project. The first line of your bash script should exactly this one, bin bash, this one. This is the first line of your code. You must start with this one, with this bash script. So, I want me to go. So, the first task, zero, OSI model. This is, let me read this question. As you can see, I've already done and I have scored it. Open system interconnection is an abstract model to describe layered communication and computer network design. The idea is to segregate the different parts of what makes communication possible. It is organized from the lowest layer to the highest layer. The lowest layer, 1, which is for transmission of physical layer with an electrical impulse, light or radio signal. The highest layer, layer 7, which is for application-specific communication like SMTP for emails, HTTPs for your web browser. Keep in mind, keep in mind that the OSI model is a concept. It's not even tangible. The OSI model doesn't perform any function in the networking process. It's a conceptual framework so we can better understand complex interactions that are happening. Most of the functionality of the OSI model exists in all communication systems. This is the data link, application, representation sessions, segments, packets. In this project, we will mainly focus on transport layer and especially TCP/UDP. On the network layer, IP and ISMB. The image below describes concretely how you can relatively relate to every layer. Questions: What this now this is what we are supposed to do now. What is OSS model? Set of specifications that network hardware manufacturer must respect. The OSM is a conceptual model that characterizes the communication function of a communication system without regard of the underlying internal structure and technology. The OSI model is model that characterizes the communication function of a communication system with strong regard of underlying internal structure. How is the OSM model organized alphabetically from the lowest to the highest randomly? So let me go straight to my sandbox. Uh, Let me share my sandbox. This is my terminal. This is my terminal. Share my screen. Good, this is what I wanted. So, the root city. This is Relics system engineering defaults. This directory, this is the directory. Okay, now let me enter into this file. This is the code that you are supposed to input in that file. 22. Change mode. Plus X. File name. This file name. Check this. This is the code. So you can see here. This one here. Then you GitHub. Git commit. And then you git push. Git push. You enter. Another one is the second one is this is the second task. Types of network. Home office central internet branch. This is both local and wide area network. The answer is this is the answer. So you can see the first one What type of computer network in local is connected to? It's local area network. What type of network connect office in a building in another office in a building a few streets? It's wide area network. What type of what network do you use when you browse a bit of it's the internet? So the answer is 321. 321 is the answer for that. That's the code that you this the answer is the same as code. Shift quit to execute the new guitar delete commit and git push. That one. Number two is